Life ElClimA improved the Eleonora's falcon's habitat on several Greek islands, helping it adapt to climate change. To boost breeding, the team ran the largest ever rat eradication operation in the Aegean. This saw 705 hectares on 7 islets, an area 4 times as big as Monaco, becoming rat-free. They installed around 1,000 artificial nests at 5 sites and planted fruit trees, bushes and cereals for the birds to feed on. And they produced a good practice guide on the falcon's foraging sites in Greece and Southeast Africa. This was sent to relevant authorities in Greece, the Mediterranean and Africa, so that they could help the falcon adapt to climate change.